so annoying. It's worse than me.
I know, yeah, it's gotta be pretty bad, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just
Sometimes I wish you'd just shut up for once.
like, come on. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys. I'm not sure if you know this about me, but I love Norway.
Yeah, we've heard you say that before, Andrew.
Ugh, man, what is this country of his? No one cares. No one cares. No one. Stupid Norway.
Pretty fat dog you got there.
It is.
Yeah,
It's gonna be my dinner one day.
Where do you get it?
Mexico, you know, they all have these
You
things.
feeding it at the tacos?
Oh, hey
Yep.
guys. Hey Shae, is it true that eating a dog is a natural thing for Asians?
Yes, it is. They eat them all the time in the Philippines.
Oh,
Right?
It's all natural? That must mean it's good, right?
Yep, that.
Shae, my uncle was telling me that we should go paintball next week. Oh, but my friend Owen's coming. He's kind of annoying.
Oh,
Yeah. I think he's outside right now.
Hey guys!
No,
are you ready to
I
go?
can't. No. Done. Game over.
Man, guys, can I have a turn on this?
Nah. I'm too hungry. I don't want you to play. Sorry, mate.